Hey guys, welcome to Online Money Goals and welcome back again for another video for survey jobs. So in this video, we'll be looking out for another website where you can actually earn money from doing surveys and watching videos and other simple tasks. So I have made ample of videos on this topic, but this one is another website and the website name is grabpoints.com. So about this website, this is actually paid for doing some task type of websites where you will be earning money for doing simple tasks such as attending a survey or doing a poll or watching videos, something like that. Here you will be earning either PayPal Cash or Roblox gift card, Amazon gift card, Flipkart cards, Google Pay credit cards, credit gift cards. So yeah, something like that. You will be getting gift card, but then what I recommend you is that it's better to get it as a PayPal Cash. And here it is really simple. You just start off by signing it for free. Either use your email address, put some password and open it, or just like me, logging on with your Google account. And once you're inside, you will be here in this dashboard, and this dashboard actually consists of first and foremost the surveys, which I like doing surveys and getting paid. That is just simple, but then sometimes surveys are a bit annoying, and as I have told you many times in most of my videos that you cannot completely replace your 9 to 5 jobs for these type of websites. These are just like, for you can use it as your pocket money, or you can just use it for getting a coffee or going out with your friends, something like that. So it is not recommended to depend your full income on this website itself. It will just pay you a little. And for the legitimacy thing, it's completely legitimate. I'm just on the starting itself, I just inform you that this is legitimate. This is not like a scam website and all. You can earn money, but it's very little. And it is much more important that in India, according to the geographical location in India, if you are an Indian, it is ultimately it's going to be annoying, because I have tried so many times. I just tried with this website for more than 2 weeks, and it was really hard for me to even qualified for a survey. I just as you can see, I'm just clicking on to it. This is some TAP survey website. It just says TAP survey, and yeah, so I have tried this one. I'm not even qualified for even a single survey. I tried this for more than a week, and it was really hard to get qualified. I'm not sure why it is because of geographical location, but many Indians have actually complaints about this one, that it just takes a lot to get qualified and get a survey that gets clicked. So it just asks you some personal questions, and after answering few personal questions, you will be qualified for a few surveys. If you think getting qualified so easily as an Indian, I would suggest you to look out for Paid Era, which I have already done a video on. You can just check it out. I got it qualified very instantly, and it was the rate was higher in that one. So you can check out that video. It might be on the tags above now or in the description box below. So yeah, it just keep on asking me some personal questions before getting qualified for the survey. And here I have to tell you that watching videos is not actually possible, because in India it is not available right now. The Hideout TV is not available, so you won't be earning cash by watching videos. So for watching videos and all, I think it will be applicable to other countries, but not in India. For India, I think you can only earn money by doing surveys and some simple tasks, and you can actually earn cash by I think using discount coupons. I'm not sure about it. I'll just cover it out, and we'll move on with the other part of this video. I'll also show you other poll area and websites now which is attached with this one. And if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, please subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. Now here I have already told you guys that Hideout TV is not actually available in India. I'll be showing you that now, and here these are all ads. Guys, just don't click on this one because this GrabPoints website will be earning money from that, not us. So I would recommend you not to click on those ads. And here it is, Hideout TV, which you will get. You'll be getting 7 points for watching videos. See, as I have told you, it is not available in our country, in India. Might be it is available in other countries. I'm not sure about the countries that are available. And then we'll just move on with the other one. I told you, right, reward store. That is where you will be getting your gift cards and PayPal Cash, everything. PayPal Cash will be I think its minimum payout is $25. So for many of you might be asking this question, I'll just let you know. As far as I know, 1000 points is equal to $1. So that is how you will be earning. So earning $1000 is actually not easy. Guys, I have to tell you, it takes a lot of time. It is very similar to other websites. It will take a lot of time, and here it is where the reward store, which means you will be getting cash or gift card or some discount coupons for your points that you have earned from this website. And I highly recommend you guys that you just take it off as a PayPal Cash. That is much better as far as I know. And one more thing I have to share with you guys is that if you feel that the website might actually sell your data or your email ID or personal stuff, if you are feeling insecure, I would just suggest you guys to actually create a fake email ID and just start it off, because I don't want anyone to get that fear. And this is another one. They just have survey routers and surveys. I'm not sure what is the difference between that, but when I clicked on to this theorem thing, the theorem research is one something like surveys, survey time, something like that. So this one is actually not having any surveys as after I fill out my details and profile after creating it. I'm not sure, but when I actually sign up with this one, this website particularly in separately, like search theorem research, sign up, you will get questions and surveys, you will be qualified. But I'm not sure why it is doing like that. When I'm actually redirecting it from GrabPoints, it is not showing me anything. It says someone ate your surveys. Even Polefish is like that. I don't know, they are just asking me some personal questions. This procedure is actually same with all the survey websites. They will be asking you some personal questions in order to know you better and whether you are fitting for that market research surveys. So that is actually quite common. And I have to tell you guys that I didn't get qualified with this one also. God, it took me a lot of time actually to get qualified for one survey. See, they are showing me now there are so many surveys, but then when I actually click on one thing, specific one survey, I'm not qualified, and it just showed me that nothing is available. See, who knows, I'm not sure about it. But guys, this is as far as my review, this is legitimate. This is not a scam and all. You will get paid, but the payment will be very low, and time taken for that earning that points is actually higher. But you can just give it a try, and if you have any doubts, as usual, comment it below. I'll make sure I answer it as soon as possible. And thank you so much guys. We'll meet you all in the next video. Until then, bye and thank you.